All right, here's the antenna for the day. It's a circle with a square. Go figure. I don't think the two would go together very well, but yeah, here they are, circle and a square. It's like a patch antenna inside of a circle. I don't know. Maybe you can use them as a direction finder. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what frequencies to expect either. We'll put on the VNA and figure it out. But I didn't get much info on this one. It is a SKU X HX0060A. So yeah, your guess is as good as mine. What a bizarre thing. I've never seen an antenna like this before. So yep, had to have one. Had to have one. Let's go put it on the VNA. All right, there we go on a Smith chart. Looks like it's got a little loop-de-doo right there at about 3.75 gigahertz. Let's go to log mag. And yeah, there we go. So it's working pretty good in the middle here. So yeah, somewhere, here's 3.7, 3.4. So anywhere from like 3.3 up to maybe 3.8 gigahertz. It's working okay. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, so you can see the construction here. The semiconductor comes up and just goes to that big square area. And then there's a ground, a loop. This is ground and ground, and then with a loop in between. So that's kind of a bizarre thing. I don't know. Anybody knows about these types of antennas, comment below, because I've never seen one before. There you go. Very weird. Nothing on the back. Nothing to see here. Yeah, there's the antenna for the day. Pretty strange.